Hello and welcome to AdMobilize. We're here to show you how to use our dashboard and get the most out of your data. This is a summary page of our dashboard where you can see an overview of your data and get a quick glance at your performance. But before we get into the data itself, there's some specific filters we need to talk about. They'll help you on your daily basis use of the dashboard. On the top of the screen, you can see a navigation menu. This bar will be present on all the pages of the dashboard. It has some options that you can use to customize your data view. The first option is to select the project you want to see. You can choose from a list of projects that you have access to. The second option is to select the solutions that you want to see the data for. You can choose from a list of solutions that are available for your project based on the type of license that you have. There are 5 different possible solutions: audience, vehicle detection, vehicle recognition, vehicle crowd, and crowd. The third option is to check the time zone of the project. You can see the current time zone and change it if you need to, but we'll share more details about how to change it in another video. The fourth option is to update the data. You can click this button to refresh the data and get the latest results. The fifth option is to configure the notifications. You can click on this button to set up notifications to get alerts when your device goes offline for more than 24 hours. You can select to see it on your dashboard in-app or get it via email. You can also add an email to the notification list even without an AdMobilize account, so this person can be notified about it. Below the navigation menu, you can see a data filter. This is where you can select the date range and time interval for your data. You can use the calendar to pick a start and end date, or use the quick selection option to choose a predefined period such as today, yesterday, last 7 days, last month, or this month. You can also specify the time by entering a start and end time. After selecting the date range and time interval, you can choose how to aggregate the data by hour, day, week, if it started on Monday, month, and year. Below the data filter, you can see a lot of widgets. These are graphical representations of your data that show different metrics and insights. For example, if you have a device that counts people, you can see how many people pass by and how many people look towards the screen. You can also see the difference between views and impression numbers in percentages, which indicates how effective your advertising is. You can also see the attention time, which shows how long people looked at your screen, and the gender distribution, which shows how many male and female viewers you had. If you have any questions about what these metrics mean, you can click on the eye icon on each widget to get more information. And if you want to export the data, you can click on the 3-dot menu on each widget and choose to export the option. There's also an option to toggle legends on widgets that have lines or chart bars. If you want to zoom in on the line chart to see the data better, you can click and drag on the chart area to select a specific range. Now let's move on to the analytics page, where you can see more details about your data and adjust the widgets as you want. On this page, you can see the same widgets as on the summary page, but with more options and features. You can also see all the devices that are connected to your project by clicking on the arrow icon on the left side of the screen. This will show you a list of devices with their names and locations. You can hover over a single device to see its data on the widgets, or click on it to select it. You can also select them all and click on the update button to get the data for all of your devices. If you want to get a preview image of what your device is showing right now, you can click on the landscape icon on each device. This will open a pop-up window with a snapshot of your device's screen. Now, if you want to customize your widgets, you can click on the gear icon on each widget. This will open a settings panel where you can pick which widget you prefer on your analytics screen. There's also an option to generate reports from your data, but we will cover that in another video. So this is just a bit of our dashboard to show you how it works and how it can help you achieve more with your data. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos with AdMobilize.